Alright, today I'll be changing the thermostat on my vehicle due to the leak, which has gotten everywhere coming from the thermostat. So first off, you're gonna want to take this off. There's just 2 rivets on my car because it's off. So once you remove that little air duct, you're gonna want to remove the fan. I got this tool from Amazon. It was only like fucking 15 bucks or something. These 2 bolt holes are different lengths depending where the water pump lines up. And then to break it loose, you just put it on in there and you turn it to the right so it's reverse threaded. You just hold it with one and then break it loose with the other one. So once you break that nut loose, you just start spinning the fan. You can see, just be careful it doesn't fucking do that. And that's out. And you got the thermostat right there. So you're gonna need a 10, a 13. You can probably loosen this up because you're gonna have to move it around to guide it out. And then you got more down here. You just gotta remove these upper radiator hose and lower radiator hose. They're pretty simple. Just pop this clip out. Try not to lose it like I did. And then they just pull straight out. Same with this. Like that. And then you could remove it if you want. That way it doesn't, just set it somewhere safe. And yeah, just pop it off. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, nice. Alright, so once you remove those bolts, this was actually an 11 mil, not a 10, but whatever. It's actually just simple. You just remove it, woohoo, just like that. It's out. And then what you're gonna want to do is just clean all the surface all around here. All right, so once it's complete, make sure it's completely dry. And then I just put some RTV around there. And then just put on the new thermostat. Make sure it's good, I guess. And yeah, just tying the bolts back up. All right, so once you have the new thermostat on there, you're gonna want to pop on the hoses. Just make sure you hear that click. All right, so once you got that shit together, you're gonna put the fan back on. The easiest way I found to do it was just put like 1 thread. Try to get 1 thread on there, and then with the wrench, just get the rest on there. And you are gonna turn it left since it is reverse mounted. So yeah, pretty much just hold it and then just turn it like so. And then once you got a couple threads on it, you should just be able to spin that thing on there, just like that. And it's on. Woohoo! And then from there, just put the little air duct back in here and top off the coolant, bleed the system, and you should be good.